Justin, thank you very much. We'll have more on the wet weather impacting the state, the whole cleanup process a little bit later in the newscast. But first, I want to bring you some news that a lot of folks have been waiting to hear.
Yeah, starting on Monday, those 65 and older will be eligible to get their COVID vaccine. This is our nation's president is urging states to offer vaccines to most Americans by the next few months. Max Rodriguez has more.
1 year ago, the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus pandemic. In an address to the nation Thursday, President Biden says he wants the country to move on from the virus by the 4th of July. To meet his goal, the president is directing states to make COVID shots available to all adults 18 years and up by May 1st.
But we began to mark our independence from this virus.
Lieutenant Governor Josh Green says the state will not back down from that challenge.
If the president challenges us, we're going to meet it.
Green says the state is currently administering about 70,000 doses a week. He says with more supply, there's capacity to increase that number.
Well over 400,000 shots given so far. We can give about 300,000 shots now per month. And we need to be giving that many, which means we have to get that much supply in from the feds.
Health officials are moving ahead in the state's vaccination plan. Starting next week, people 65 years and older will qualify for the shot. It's news that many kupuna have been waiting for. Green says that's about 85,000 people right off the bat. But the AARP Hawaii State Director says the sign-up process needs to be easier for this group.
One of the things that we're still worried about with the 75 plus, even though we're moving into the younger folks, is that people who don't have access to the internet or aren't able to get online still seem to be those that aren't getting vaccinated.
Phase 1C also includes essential workers who were not included in 1B, plus those who have high-risk medical conditions. Ahead of the game is the close-knit community on Lanai. With the population of just 3,000, Lanai Community Health Center says 1,000 residents have already gotten their shot, so they are ready to begin vaccinating folks 16 and older. Meanwhile, Molokai General Hospital has already vaccinated more than 1,000 people. That's 1/7 of the island's population.
They went through a lot, especially in the night, because they had the outbreak there.
The health department says Pfizer is approved for those who are 16 years and older, while Moderna and Johnson & Johnson have emergency authorization for those who are at least 18 years old. Max Rodriguez, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.